Unraveling, tied down, exploring its meaning in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, tied down. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension of English. So, let's dive in and untangle the meaning of tied down. First, let's look at the literal meaning of the phrase. Tied down refers to being physically restrained by ropes, straps, or any similar bindings. Imagine a boat tied down to a dock, preventing it from drifting away. This literal sense gives us a good foundation for understanding its more figurative uses. In everyday language, tied down is often used figuratively. It describes a situation where someone feels restricted or limited in their actions or decisions. For example, if someone says, "I don't want to be tied down by a 9-to-5 job," they mean they don't want to be restricted by the regular hours and routine of such a job. A common context where tied down is used is in discussing relationships. When someone says, "I don't want to be tied down," in a romantic context, they are expressing a desire for freedom and independence, and perhaps an unwillingness to commit to a long-term relationship. To better understand tied down, let's see it in action. 1. Career context. She didn't take the job because she felt it would tie her down too much. 2. Travel context. I love traveling. I can't imagine being tied down in one place. 3. Emotional context. After his tough divorce, he doesn't want to be tied down to any serious relationship. Notice how the phrase adapts its meaning slightly depending on the context, but the core idea of restriction or limitation remains consistent. It's also useful to know some synonyms. Words like restricted, bound, constrained, and limited convey similar meanings and can be used in similar contexts. However, each word might carry its nuances, so it's important to choose them carefully depending on the situation. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, tied down. Remember, understanding phrases like this not only boosts your English fluency but also helps you grasp the subtle nuances of the language. We hope this video has been informative and engaging for you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.